engineering. So today we are going to discuss about chapter 1, chemical reaction and equations. In this chapter we will discuss about different types of chemical reactions, and then we will discuss about how to write chemical equations. And for example, in order to represent chemical reactions, we write them as in the form of equations. So those type of equations we'll be learning here. So let us proceed. Before we begin, let us do this activity. Activity 1.1. In this activity, see, what we do is, we take a magnesium ribbon. So, you take a magnesium ribbon and then about 2 centimeters long by rubbing it with a sandpaper. So, why do we have to rub it with a sandpaper? We have to clean it. We have to clean it nicely so that magnesium being reactive reacts with oxygen and forms a layer of coating over it called magnesium oxide. So, that is not so reactive. The compound so formed on the cover of this magnesium ribbon is not so reactive, so we need to remove it with the sandpaper. Now, after removing it, hold it with a pair of tongs. So the tongs is here, like your forceps. Then burn it using a spirit lamp or burner and collect the ash so formed in a watch glass as shown in figure 1.1. Burn the magnesium ribbon, keeping it as far as possible from your eyes. So what we do here is that after cleaning the magnesium ribbon, we burn it with the spirit lamp. Then we can see a dazzling white light. That is, your magnesium ribbon starts to burn with giving out a dazzling white light. So you must have observed that magnesium ribbon burns with a dazzling white light, a white flame, and changes into a white powder. This powder is magnesium oxide. It is formed due to the reaction between magnesium and oxygen present in the air. So as I have said in the earlier, so after cleaning the magnesium, we burn it with the spirit lamp. Then we find that the magnesium burns with a dazzling white light. That shows that magnesium burns in air. That is, it reacts with oxygen to form a white powder. That is your magnesium oxide. So here, in this reaction or in this activity, we find that when magnesium reacts with oxygen, then it gives a white powder called magnesium oxide, giving out heat in the form of light, and that light is a dazzling white flame. So now let us learn how to represent the chemical equation. Magnesium symbol is Mg. Then your oxygen, air, represented by O2. So in this activity, your magnesium, so let us write your magnesium in the form of an equation, reacts with oxygen to give magnesium oxide. So here, in this activity, your magnesium reacts with oxygen to give magnesium oxide. So this is the reaction or the chemical equation which represents the chemical reaction. So for every chemical reaction, we can have an equation where all these elements or the atoms undergoes reaction and give a product. So such representation of a chemical reaction are known as